We're just a few hours out from the debut of Google's new Pixel devices during I/O 2023, and in the home stretch, we're getting one more notable Pixel Fold leak with a promo that teases the phone's hardware and a delayed feature too. A leaked promo video posted by Snoopy Tech shows the Pixel Fold's hardware from all angles, both closed and open, and calls out features such as water resistance, the ability for the hinge to sit up when the phone is on a table for videos and other uses, and its seamless screen. The video also mentions that the Pixel Fold is the thinnest foldable, with the caveat that only applies in markets where the Pixel Fold is sold. It's all quite exciting, but in classic Google fashion, there's a feature shown off that apparently won't be available at launch. The video shows a user multitasking while on a video call with a footnote that says dual screen support coming fall 2023. It's not super obvious what this is referring to, as the clip shows Android's typical split-screen multitasking, which shouldn't be delayed given it's a system feature. The user is shown performing a drag-and-drop feature, which seems like it could be what Google is referring to, but it's really not clear based on the video. Whatever the case, something regarding the Pixel Fold's multitasking won't be available until this fall, a few months after the Fold's expected June release date. Google will unveil the Pixel Fold, expected to cost $1,799 later today at I/O 2023 alongside the Pixel 7 and more. The company is also expected to provide updates on Android and AI at today's event, among other announcements. That concludes today's video. I hope you found the video useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.